found a solution to the problem that I posted about yesterday. So I have this switch here. It's a double pull, double throw switch. So it allows for 2 complete circuits with 1 button press. And what this does is when the switch is off, it allows the battery to be charged through this USB jack here. And it also stops the voltage regulator here from providing power to the board. But when it's on, like this, the voltage regulator is turned on and provides power to the board. And the way I achieve this is by actually breaking a connection on the board here. I just took a razor blade and cut this trace here, and then connected the switch between these 2 wires. So we've got something that looks like this. So the ESP32 has an input USB here, and that's to the VN pin. And when it's off, it goes to the regular charge circuit, allows it to charge the battery here. And this is normally open, not allowing the boost converter to charge. And when it's closed, so when the switch is turned on, this alternate path engages and it enables the boost converter. And this diode's here to make sure you don't damage any circuits with the boost circuit or the ESP32.